Barnabas, if you carry out this devotion faithfully, you will suffer many agonies with me, because the way is a desert way, so dry and rough. I will lead you and all men who answer my calls of love through this way to the land of promise. I promise again that I will renew the face of the earth through my little ones. Then comes the reign of my glory, when all shall be one in me. Di ba po? Barnabas, kung i-carry out mo, dadalhin mo ang devotion na ito faithfully, ay ng buong katapatan, ay magsasuffer ka ng many agonies with me, because the way, ang daan ay desert way. So, diba po ito yung sa way of Calvary, kung dadaan po tayo doon, diba, mabato at dry ito. The way is a desert way, so dry and rough. I will lead you and all men, kung sino ang mag-answer ng call, ng aking tawag, ng pagmamahal, through this way, to the land. I will lead you, who will answer my calls, through this way, to the land of promise. So, ito yung sa mga promises ng ating Panginoon. Kung sino ang ayun, si Barnabas ay magsasuffer. Kung sino ang mag-a-adore ng precious blood ay magsasuffer ng mga agonies, dahil ang daan ay dry, tuyo at rough, magaspang. Ngunit I will lead you and all men, na kung sinong tatanggap ng call na ito with love, ay ililid niya sa land of promise. I promise again, ito na promise uli,